your first experience with a drone? What was it like? Because I have this little bitty drone here.
Yeah.
And this thing packs a punch. Like it literally, it sounds like a fan, and it's loud, you know?
Yeah.
And it has enough energy to literally just like fly right in front of my face. Talk about like your first experience with drones. What was like the first thing that came to your mind?
Okay. So part of the fight of today is very drone inclusive, right? It's definitely something that we have adapted into our war fighting style, and also the enemy as well, primarily ISIS, right? So my first time ever counting a drone was a Secret Service led joint competition, you should say, right? So, and I had EOD guys from the Marines, Army, and I believe it was Navy, and then also local bomb squads.
Mm-hmm.
And the Secret Service kind of just held it down. They like basically we have this town set up in one of the bases, and it's just this huge town, empty town, to kind of run scenarios. And then we were all just, it was a competition of who could do better. And they had like booby trap houses and stuff like that. One of the scenarios, they had a drone down there with this scenario was a down drone, or they were just hanging out,
Yeah.
which had explosives in it. So that was my first time actually getting some hands-on time with some drones. With some
What do you mean it had explosives in it?
So kind of like a kamikaze type of drone is what they were going for.
What do you mean? What does that mean?
So kamikaze, for this history.
I know what it means, but like to the audience, you don't know what that means.
Yeah, so basically they were replicating the kamikaze style, so that they would pack the drone with explosives. So once it went on impact, it would explode a lot bigger than just the drone itself.
Isn't that kind of how with the recent Iranian attack? Isn't that kind of how that task was implemented?
Can you elaborate on that?
Was that an airstrike?
That was an airstrike.
Yeah. So when we got into
the Iranian general,
the Iranian general, was that an airstrike or was that a drone?
That was an airstrike.
Okay, what's the difference?
So a drone, someone's actually controlling it with some type of controller, and then if that drone has weapons on it, it will drop it from there. An airstrike is literally a warhead with explosives with a guidance package.
Okay.
So it's already been calculated. Once somebody press that fire button, it's already calculated where it's going.
Wow.
Wow, straps. Wow.